Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 idioms and phrases for rare things and difficult tasks. Number 1, a needle in a haystack. It means very hard to find because there are so many other things around it. Example, finding my lost earring on the beach was like finding a needle in a haystack. Number 2, a tall order. It means a task or request that is very difficult. Example, finishing the project by tomorrow is a tall order. Number 3, a tough nut to crack. It means something difficult to understand, solve, or deal with. Example, that crossword clue was a tough nut to crack. Number 4, an uphill battle. It means a difficult struggle that takes a lot of effort. Example, starting a business with no money was an uphill battle. Number 5, a fool's errand. It means a pointless mission with little chance of success. Example, looking for that tiny screw in the grass was a fool's errand. Number 6, a long shot. It means something unlikely to happen or succeed. Example, it's a long shot, but maybe we'll find the lost wallet. Number 7, like getting blood from a stone. It means very hard or impossible to get something from someone. Example, getting him to apologize was like getting blood from a stone. Number 8, a drop in the ocean. It means a very small amount compared to what is needed. Example, one clue was just a drop in the ocean. Number 9, hard as nails. It means very tough or difficult to deal with. Example, the final exam was hard as nails. Number 10, a mission impossible. It means something that seems impossible to do. Example, finishing that report in 10 minutes felt like a mission impossible. We finished learning some fun idioms today. Yes, and now you can describe hard to find and hard to do things better. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.